Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create custom resolution in Nvidia control panel. It's really simple and easy. For this, first of all, you have to open the Nvidia control panel, click on search and type Nvidia, and then you can open this control panel. Now you have to come to the left and select a task list and find the option change resolution in display. Go and click on it. Choose the display you want to change. We can do both in any way, but we will start with one. Scroll down and click on this customize in the bottom of choose resolution. Come to the bottom and press create custom resolution. Enter in the resolution you want. For example, I am going for this 1920 by 1080 like so, and then you can change the refresh rate as well. After you are happy, you just have to click on this test. Your screen will quickly go black and start again. If you are happy with it, you can confirm and you want to keep it. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create custom resolution in Nvidia control panel. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.